Good day everyone. Our topic for today is setting, process, methods, and tools in communication.
The first one is communication. Communication is a manner of passing information between people or groups for common understanding and confidence. It includes the move of information from the sender to the receiver. The receiver must understand the meaning and the message of information. Communication is the sending and receiving of information and can be one-on-one or between groups of people and can be face-to-face or through communication devices. Communication requires a sender, the person who initiates communication, to transfer their thoughts or encode the message. The second one is human interaction. It's regarded as a basis on which interpersonal relationships, groups and team organization, communities, and cultures are constructed. Human interaction is the process that enables communication between people to exchange information. Artificial intelligence applied to digital marketing. The third one is setting of communication. Refers to the physical surroundings of a communication event, which may be made up to the location where the communications occurs, environmental conditions, as well as proximity of communications. A key component of good communication is setting, or the surrounding context, the actual place or where and when the communication is occurring. Is referred to as the environmental context. The location, time, weather, and temperature are examples of environmental context factors.
5 communication settings that find in discipline of social science.
Government setting. Government communication is a systematic two-way process between government agencies and citizens during a public policy process, including the stage mentioned above: agenda setting, decision-making, policy implementation, and monitoring and feedback. The document discusses various settings for social work practice, including government, private sector, civil society, school, and communities.
Private sector settings refers to organization operating business and companies in the country which is involved in providing public service in the form of creating employment opportunities for the people but are not considered as a government. This refers to business and companies in a country that provide public service creating employment opportunities but are not considered government entities. Civil society settings refers to non-governmental organization, charities, foundation, people's organization, and other pressure groups that exist to advocate the social justice on behalf of the marginalized sector. This refers to organizations like NGOs, charities, foundations, that people's organizations that work towards social justice for marginalized sector. School settings operates on the basis of providing educational service to the public and engaging communities in setting up the agenda for educational goals and means. The organization provides educational service to the public and engage communities in setting educational goals and means. Community settings is where all sectors interact, like the government, business, and civil society, and just about all individuals and groups.
Process of communication. It is employed in giving and receiving information and conveying our idea and opinion to those around us, account for what happened between the source of message and receipt. The step of communication. Process our idea formation, encoding channel selection, sometimes return sender, receive context, and noise are mentioned among the steps as additional components of the community of process. Thank you guys. Methods of communication. Number 1, verbal. Verbal communication is a type of communication where use spoken and written words to get our message and information across the
to the other person. 2. Oral means the transmission information taught the audio system, which includes system of speaking and hearing. 3. Non-verbal. Non-verbal is transmission of message or signals of body language, facial expression, and sign language. 4. Writing is the exchange information, idea of message taught writing language is the form of letters. Number 5. Visual. Visual communication is providing information taught images in visual. Tools of communication. These are tools allow each other group member to put information they have out there for the other group member to access the range from language in all forms, from tone of voice to performing television, storytelling, telephone, cell phone, radio, newspaper, photograph, and digital platforms. Certainly, communication tools encompass a wide range of software and platform design, collaboration. These tools can include email service like Gmail, messaging platforms such as Slack or Microsoft terms of video. That's for our report, guys.
So thank you for watching.